Thanks a lot, Lisa. All right, let's get right to it. 45 degrees, sadly, is the warm spot. I can't wait until we're back into the 50s. That's going to feel amazing. But we're stuck in a pattern that, yet again, another big-time low-pressure system is going to roll through the area. But this one's a little bit more classic nor'easter setup, which is usually our best chance for snow here in the Charlotte area. And that exactly is what's lining up. But sunshine today. We are starting off on the cloudier side, and that's keeping things milder in the mid-20s. Sunshine takes over before we see on and off clouds. So here's this morning, seeing that cloud cover. It clears out for a more wall-to-wall sunshine scenario. Temperatures getting lower to the mid-40s, and then we kind of repeat that pattern. More clouds move back in for your Thursday, and then it will be a little bit cloudier for your Thursday afternoon, but then Friday, clouds really start to take over, and we see our first signs of snow right along the mountain, heading into your Friday evening. This is actually a separate system. We're diving in some colder air from the north. That could give us some snow flurries that are going to stick to the surface initially, and then we have our next winter system that develops. This classic nor'easter setup cruises along the shoreline, deepens, and then is going to cause a tremendous amount of wind just off the shoreline. That's one thing that I'm really concerned about, is some of the winds that are going to be associated with this once it passes. And right now, already looking at some of our snow chances, we have about a 30 to a 50% chance really from Charlotte and areas southeast that we are going to have at least some moderate impacts associated with this storm. 50 to 70% chance for even a significant snowfall further off towards the east. And the further west you go, not as much of a scenario. But I want to show you really how wicked this storm potentially could be. Check this out. The wind gusts are going to be anywhere from about 25 to 35 here in Charlotte. But a nor'easter sometimes is known as a winter hurricane. There's a chance for wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour in the Outer Banks once you get closer to that low pressure system. It is trending a little bit further west. It means right along the shoreline. That would be significant snow in parts of our area, including Charlotte, through your Saturday, eventually ending on Sunday. So this is the one that I would already really start to prepare where we're going. As far as the snow meter, so Brad has a snow meter, so I just want to share what he was showing last night. That it's at a 4. That means a legit chance for snow. And this is one that I want everyone really to take seriously, because it's even if we just get a flurry, we are going to be talking about still a flash freeze onto the surface. But then on top of that, the colder temperatures behind this, even if you get the lowest end, so just a dusting of snow, you're still looking at 14 degrees and 10 degrees. So that's going to be more burst water main breaks. We're going to be looking at burst pipes, broken water heaters, all kind of the same norms. So even the best case scenario is still going to be a lot of problems for a lot of people. So that's why we're weather impact alert Saturday, Sunday, heading into Monday morning, which is Groundhog Day. The little bit of optimism I have for you, at least that's the midpoint of winter, so halfway done at that point.